Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Triumph Trident 660cc triple. This bike is really cool. White and black finish, 3 cylinders, fuel injected, liquid cooled, ABS brakes, Showa shocks. Come on by and make your 3-cylinder dreams come true with this gorgeous Trident. Price to sell just $79.99. You're gonna love the torque of the 3-cylinder along with the smoothness. Blacked out engine, rear lower fender. This thing is really cool. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.